There's one jandam I want to kill, and it's got to do with this woman, Patricia Appiagyei. Mami we Abrewa PosoPoso. Mami wo Abrewa PosoPoso a odi MPP for any more parliament. Mami Abrewa kura. Ni seat na oteso asantime mu no. Because we asantini, mami we atena akonwa no so de ahwe ne ma ne nananom enye sika se bem. Emma Johnson abo mo te said the Johnson abo akoko e won constituency. He has never engaged any opposing view. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah estati GoldBod in Semno. He has never sat on any panel to share opinions and ideas on the allegations that he created. Also, it is the Kenoforiata strategy. Obeka sansem no to hona, obey press conference no enu dwane eno kohwe pono. The ride on Jandam, the NPP no omo die boni ache. Na meka Ibrahim Mahama, time na NDC wapa omokai. Time Ibrahim Mahama everything. NPP for in a static Jandam. They put a narrative on it. This is the time na NDC wa power. Ana Ibrahim Mahama, the engineers and planners wanted to mine bauxite in Ghana. After all these things, Bawumia is fush. And let's stick to the fushness. Bawumia is fush that is powerful and potent, and it can scatter every place, every room. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, GoldBod. And the Kojo Oppong Nkrumah tries to obey defending. And I want to say this before we move on. From this time, the agenda of the NPP is to create impressions, to force narratives. And the omobe nyina say right now no mo haabo say omo de tag bi akoto obi so. Mo haabo so omo de tag bi akoto obi so. They want to force a narrative say omo wie omo primaries na, that is what they are going to run with. Now, so what study from the beginning of John Mahama's administration and as the governance, guy na say odi binina na funa say odi binina, your friend saying in team fojo, he started some jandam mukai. Akwana say odi koto binino. Na akwana also sofu mokuno. O starti ye cocaine. And odi bedru. Your friend say ombra no be provi say in fact in some na all canon evidence ho sofu mokwa odi bini na funa to he could not come out to tell Ghana for say asamna Americano because they wanted to create an impression. They wanted to put a narrative out there. Ghana for Jiminti, we will just fall for it. The same way John Mahama president from 2012 to 2016. Yuzu some hungry people to say, oh, Mahama Akoto down Dubai, Mahama Akoto hotel, Mahama say no. They want to start the same thing because there's nothing they can say Ghana for Ebeji Omodi. And no NADD ma babedru eye Kojo Oppong Nkrumah etikese sexy don. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah started an agenda. And the agenda no, and the way they started the agenda no about GoldBod no, make sure must say their biggest problem as a political party is GoldBod. Because they know say sa GoldBod way ejuma omo ye ni sika omo de support to aban we no. Say omo kosuma GoldBod ni ye na juma. Na omanfa edimboni bi anto sami jemfiso and create impression bi say obi disika, the NPP will be nullified forever and ever. They know a meeting on my year. They know for a fact. Since Ghana ye chechire Ghana be sin there, ye nya any institution bi a aban institution etumi make it 10 billion in a year from Nkrumah preso ebedrunde ye nya bi da. This is the first time aban bi aba abeti a board and a agency a parliament in a tia etime generated $10 billion. So they are asking themselves in just NDC for we omne sami jemfia ko to GoldBod anono say GoldBod to me generated 10 billion every year. How are we going to get power again? Because one, if GoldBod is even or GoldBod decides to even not make enough revenue again, not make it 10 billion a year, it means to say fuel prices are going to go down. It means to say you will have at least some money to finish all road works. It means to say at the end of the day, the government will not go outside and be borrowing uselessly. It means to say Ghana a car a die so you bet me to. So they are seeing say the antidote to Ghana problem ni nyina no ene what John Mahama and the NDC create, which is the GoldBod. And right now no, the idea ni nyina say yen create bibi fan to GoldBod so Mokai said time na John Mahama what power. Na engineers and planners, Ibrahim Mahama company. All the works on the ground, did all the visibility job, did everything. Na omo pese omo mining bauxite to Ghana, etun wo Ghana, efa Ghana for ejuma. The NPP etna opposition catch the Ghana for say John Mahama ni near Ibrahim Mahama omo tam Ghana bauxite de akobole bamboy. Mokai. That was our opportunity to mine our own bauxite and keep the money in Ghana, employ Ghanaians. And so Sankwas's way, these inner monkeys created a narrative. They created an impression. And on the terrorists say, hey, because John Mahama and Ibrahim Mahama, we all know within Africa, say all the expertise to mining gold and mining bauxite, there is a big difference. The amount of money you put in mining bauxite, mining gold. So person mining gold unya about 10 times the money other mining bauxite. Gold and other mining bauxite. Right? It is not easy to mine bauxite. If you get a company that is a Ghanaian company that has the expertise around the world and around in Africa to say I am even Ghanaian and I want to mine Ghanaian ore. We were all supposed to support it. What happened? We sat in this country. The NPP put a narrative on it. John Mahama engineer and planners, John Mahama beti your bauxite, and you falling for the lies. And you said, "Yeah, penny bauxite in year 2 and I say in 2 years." And I'm for $2 billion every Chinese for her. Many can say bauxite in a way. But if Ibrahim Mahama and the NDC are buying time or also a sinani power, power, and they can start mining bauxite now. Do you know the amount of money we would have generated from that bauxite and the number of Ghanaians called the Ghana School of Mines and they are for more Ghana hundreds. But this same MPP put a narrative on it. John Mahama, but we've refused to look at what the engineers and planners company was bringing on board, the expertise they have, what they are doing, what they can actually achieve. And what we as a nation, we were going to get from it. Yeah, my NPP for that die and the falling for this narrative. Now they have started the same thing with GoldBod. And you have not seen anything yet. This is the beginning of the lies or the narrative they are putting together. And they are using this same NPP, the MPs, NPP surrogates, the liars, they are using them. That is why suddenly, Oppong Nkrumah or starting a GoldBod issue, no, and the language nasa. Today, this sexy guy, I friend Oppong Nkrumah on the pono and oditu and a tight, no. He decided to go on a soul mission, and you see, the first time I met Oppong Nkrumah, not on it. Kenoforiata and the bar America na a World Bank IMF conference no mobano. They contracted my company to cover the event They paid me over $10,000 for 3 days. That was my company. Abrofo and I'm employee in America. They shot the whole event. That was the first time I met Oppong Nkrumah. Oppong Nkrumah one Kenoforiata and Nantiache. At a point, Kenoforiata promised Oppong Nkrumah say, obey the deputy finance minister. That was the time na omo pese omo pamu kweku kwating. I'm giving you the information. When they even came to the World Bank event, the deputy finance minister who was kweku kwating, or the deputy too, he was not even added to the entourage that came to the World Bank event. It was Oppong Nkrumah who deputized Kenoforiata. I was in the meetings with them. I sat with them. Throughout all the meetings, I was there. So I know what I'm talking to you about. Oppong Nkrumah was promised deputy finance minister. And when a deputy finance minister at a point, he quailed in. You saw, say he wasn't speaking for the government. He was disappointed and deceived by Kenoforiata. Say he was going to be the deputy finance minister. Do you know that Oppong Nkrumah used to run a small bank? The banking closure, and Oppong Nkrumah was part of the idea. Even that bank that he used to run, as a savings and loans, that bank defaulted. No more their banker. Now, this is what happened. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah learned very well from Eye Kenoforiata. And what he learned was that when you want to commit a crime, do not allow opposing views. In politics, when you want to commit a crime, when you want to use words to deceive the masses, never allow opposing views. It is also Kenoforiata style of leadership. It's like an autocratic kind of leadership whereby he controls the narrative. It was a Kojo Oppong Nkrumah estatic GoldBod in Semno. He has never engaged any opposing views. He has never sat on any panel to share opinions and ideas on the allegations that he created. Also, Nyebi, it is the Kenoforiata strategy. Iti obeka sansem to hona obey press conference no enu dwane eno kohwe pono. What he does is or the atroni betum from him. Then he stays back. Now friends say ombra na ombe answer questions, detailed questions sir, or say I have my facts. So what he does is say or the atronic system no more no we dwane. Now obia beka wasem wi no akofa nkrata bia betena say wo journalists medin can send no questions no. So he picks his platforms he wants to speak on. Into Obi, I want us to speak on my press conference. I know people are asking questions. These are the Q&As. This is what I want us to talk about. Into Kojo Oppong Nkrumah or set on one questions. No, I bet answer. From the day he did that press conference, our Ghanaians were saying, the person who alleged, nobody saw him on news file. When the person who is in charge of GoldBod, Sami Jemfi Betena Kunjum said, "Wo bra na insem na obeka no, bechechire na minchechire no Kojo Oppong Nkrumah never came." But interestingly, and the Kojo Oppong Nkrumah is all over the place and granting interviews, and he is the lone ranger. He is the only person sitting on TV and putting together his own document, asking his own questions and setting his questions and answering them. That is how diabolic. So Kojo Oppong Nkrumah really learned from Kenoforiata. Into study, when Kenoforiata was the finance minister, he never sat on any platform with anybody with opposing views except on Nkrumah. So when he goes to City, it is just him. When he goes to Joy, it is just him. And that is the blueprint Kojo Oppong Nkrumah is adapting. And it's a very diabolic, dangerous kind of politics. Because what it happens, and they say, Sani Panebe to me abeto atro atu nipa biso. Obe gu nipa ni bi mi animu ase. Na wa twe no ho. Yaka so me yin nwan no a omma. Se ufri wope no aba no asa betwa atro. And that is the consistency we have now seen in Kojo Oppong Nkrumah's kind of politics. For some time now, what he does is okan tro to obi so na wakotete nipa no eba se ombra me ya no a ose omma. Nipa no kwa na ono picking the radio station and TV stations. Now wasabe change narrative no. Inti Kenoforiata, that is how Kenoforiata was able to go through the mill without us being able to stop him. Because at this point, who is opposing his views? Nobody. Who is telling him you are lying? Nobody. Majority of the people he's sitting in front as journalists talking to them, no, they have limited time to scrutinize him. When Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ever Peace FM, UTV, most of the people sitting there, no, they are like you and myself. They don't have in-depth knowledge about what he has brought. It is the people who are in charge of the day-to-day running of Bank of Ghana and GoldBod who are the ones who are supposed to give us the in-depth analysis and knowledge and answers to what he alleged. But Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, instead of him to do that, no, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah says, no, I am not going to meet the person who is Sami Jemfi for Sami Jemfi to also question me. So I will sit back. After Sami Jemfi goes, I will come and lie. And that is what Kojo Oppong Nkrumah did the whole day. But Nyamia on Pebone, on say, a liar is always a liar, and a liar who has a big head is like a lion. And you see, and the oya debi and I didn't know you could see point no. After Ghana for sure and almost straight. Today he admitted, say, you know something, our press conference no more you know, they never stated anywhere say, GoldBod Aboka 214. What he is doing now is that he is trying to stay between two institutions. Intimikai se ende omofre the Greek minister. And our Greek minister Busan emphatically say, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, you did a press conference. Who can a press conference say GoldBod and Aboka $214 million. Do you still stand by it? The Greek minister Busan no Kojo Oppong Nkrumah on TV can say, on it, he did not say that, but he is now saying, say, there is a connivance between Bank of Ghana and GoldBod. The reason why Sami Jemfi popped up on TV to defend and make it clear, say, a Kabian Bayano, Kojo Nkrumah say, oh, and that there, and yet GoldBod the boka. Now there is a collaboration between GoldBod and Bank of Ghana. It's in the press conference, or yeah, you know, and there are no alternative so can say GoldBod Mboka 214 million. Let's listen to Kojo Nkrumah and yeah, the press conference now have here no.
I bought $214 million. I will go there. And you make a Bank of Ghana and GoldBod. Omo eto edibia boy reserves and omo to aton. Na gold ya to boka. Ya boka $214 million. Ye cry odom kuma mu no de. Samu be kaya brom the GoldBod emran ba match. Any start ball kokose nhihye no ma hihye no. Ifitiase na GoldBod a limited liability company. Some they are called a Chiako corporation and for so in your money so. Enti a carbon de senior no mashi shop near mano. Ye baby a baby a match. See fire some pancodo. As at September, Maboka 214 million. Ye cost yes the same mini anu bejina. Yes, the same. I feeling corner we no near Boka $300 million. Sa $300 million. No mini anu teacher for a more school a mutifia near see a bema automatic posting I am by no. Sa musika no. Ebi ena ene yede abosa aka na wo say yehwe taxpayer sika de kokotua nurse fo a mowi a muhia djuma ye ma mo financial clearance sa sika ne nkede be ma mo financial clearance na eno ne yede aboka 214 million na eko 300 million contractor fo a ye ntua omoka ukurom kwan aka ye nwie ye no sika nke betumi de aye ho adjuma no eno na nhihye bone aban we say wa be ye nti no ya boka be 300 million. Now she said, "Bonnie no my and been say first no Abra MPP de gold for reserves program by na Bank of Ghana Tony Gold no the aboya reserves ne moka and then abane buy no we ye adwuma ko ba ko pe a friend block no di ni na ahye ne nsa so no no ntom fa ma GoldBod na GoldBod so man beton ma Ghana na mfimfin no nkofo didi e na Ghana ye den ye boka $214 million eko $300 million and until dom kuma na ye parliament no say na yes here. Yeah,
so from one explanation at a press conference, no GoldBod and Ajisikano and Yaboka. Bank of Ghana disikana ma GoldBod and a GoldBod na also to gold na GoldBod na Aboka from your own press conference. And this is a gentleman. First, I know T radios, Nanko Fobuni pa. First, na man for say, where dear Unimnansa, where dear Odino Cre. You see, or making statement when you know, he forgot himself, say, what can emphatically want the press conference, we say, a GoldBod, no, from September, Embassy and the GoldBod aboka 300 million. That was his own statement. Or see, from September, I copy the end of the year, no, now GoldBod aboka $300 million. So far, aboka $140 million. I can do point we can say, a Bank of Ghana and a tam edian sika edema GoldBod. Now, when they did sika to gold, no, and a GoldBod. So technically, all his statement was based on GoldBod at their inception. He started by saying it was a limited whatever and became a corporation, and that GoldBod is not in for profit. So all his press conference was based on GoldBod taking money from Bank of Ghana and making losses. As simple as that. And the Okotina UTV in the Ebusan Oppong Nkrumah. Now the CEO of GoldBod about today, he has come out, he has spoken to the facts, he has brought his evidence. Do you still stick to that statement to say, Sami Jemfini GoldBod aboka ewo Ghana $214 million? This is Kojo Oppong Nkrumah.
Costs. Abba. Now, anyone the end day, then greater public good.
The same argument here, but Kojo can't say many ages. What can't say many ages? What's it? Momo press conference, no?
Yeah.
One kind of baby affair. Sami Jemfini GoldBod na aboka.
In fact, if I want to make video ni na, me address a press conference. Issues 4 ni raise here, my list issues ni na.
No, me just say, but man can be affair. GoldBod and Aboka.
Me say your kasi sudia say ya boka 214 million to 300 million based on the interaction between Bank of Ghana and the GoldBod. And I cry the company and no be anti ni dida. I friend Bar Rock ebe count. Asema ekra. It is a one case say to am question normally no mu. E you somebody no clear there.
Conference no. GoldBod Aboka. I'm out for na kan keke. I agree with you. Any mini problem
now. Yeah, can press conference. No, my sense is studio. I said you.
If I don't know, the same argument here, but for you can't say many ages. What can say many ages? What say? Momo press conference, no. Yeah. One kind of baby affair. Submit your feeling the GoldBod now, Boka. In fact, if I out to me share video ni na, me na me address a press conference. But just what say one can't say me boy.
Issues 4 ni raise here. My list issues ni na.
No, me just say, but you say one kind of baby affair. GoldBod and Aboka.
Me say your kasi sudia say ya boka 214 million to 300 million based on the interaction between Bank of Ghana and the GoldBod. And I cry the company and no be anti ni dida. I friend Bar Rock ebe count. Asema ekra. It is a one case say to am question normally no mu. E you somebody no clear there.
Conference no. GoldBod Aboka. I'm out for na kan keke. I agree with you. Any mini problem
here. Yeah, can press conference. No, my sense is studio. I said you.
If I don't know, my
I say, you better be na. Baba, where the meaning say
overseas. And this one is a totally different program.
Oh, say, you see the kind of people they are. I say, you didn't mention that TV show. And say, Erikopoku say, I send a kind of press conference. No, who did not see GoldBod Aboka? Who did not say, Sassam no, or see. Yeah, press conference. No catch the PZ for or say the interaction between Bank of Ghana and GoldBod was no. Now, why is this? When you came out to speak on the matter, you did not actually dwell on Bank of Ghana because if anything, Bank of Ghana gave the money to GoldBod. But you started talking about the inception of GoldBod being converted from a limited to a corporation and also an aggregator, which does not, at the end of the day, fall in any of the conversation. But also right now, he wants to stand between Bank of Ghana and GoldBod and trying to say, oh, me dem nsa to mumienu kom into the na make no na yo mumienu. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah is a liar. And so on say omo communicators no any omo ba o mianko for nyina no the attack was on Sami Gemfi abo ye ka say GoldBod abo ye ka say and so etikasi anga se betena ase no bosompra ebetena ase no or see he was talking about the interaction between okwasi ampenya wote swami awudi matem. Do you understand that language he used? The interactions between GoldBod and Bank of Ghana. When somebody says the interaction, is interaction illegal? Interaction can mean anything. It could be meetings. It could be agreements. It could be exchange of ideas. Interaction could be in anything. So you cannot base of interaction between Bank of Ghana and GoldBod and make a conclusion that Sami Gemfi and the GoldBod aboka $240 million. Where Jimmy? Where did you learn your English and your grammar? Interaction could mean anything. It could be exchange of money. It could be exchange of ideas. It could be exchange of policies. It could be exchange of anything. When people interact, it does not automatically become illegal. It won't mean because based on the interaction between GoldBod and Bank of Ghana, there is a loss. No. But in your own presser, you dwelled more on GoldBod taking money from Bank of Ghana or Bank of Ghana giving money to GoldBod and GoldBod misusing the money. You were supposed to be specific. You want to open a probe. You are opening a probe into Bank of Ghana or you are opening a probe into GoldBod. You are confused as shit. And these are the people, we are calling them honorables. These are ignorant people. They ride on Jandam. The young people know, Oma diya boniache. Na meka Ibrahim Mahama. Time na NDC wapa mokai murefi. Time Ibrahim Mahama everything. All the works on the ground spent money to dig a bauxite in Ghana as an indigenous Ghanaian company. MPP for when it started Jandam, they put a narrative on it. This is the time ana NDC war power. Ana Ibrahim Mahama, the engineers and planners wanted to mine bauxite in Ghana.
Yabaye, senka your bauxite industry. Senka mama, meaning senka omokofa. Anamwa. Any man of virtually
the company near the man. But yet to make Gina and also I compare $2 billion at the Aba through Sino-Hydro project. I know ya de bay ya quine. In Canipa Bakuni, Busiamo of Fanny Free. Get free, ya dear Ghana for a benya for Zobia, a young faso and umbenya. But because of a nuntino, ye benya interchange watamale for the first time in our history. Ye benya interchange takrade for the first time in our history. A lot of bridges here, be. In Canipa Bako confess adio. Nipa Bako, any new patriotic party in a buyer. Yako feather. Yati an authority. Ebeshe box size so. Na Ghana for nyina yenya umfaso. Na ngoye nipa Bako pe. Emfaso. Na nka ono the auto jets verse mienu miensa. Na da ne ho edodo no kakra no wako tra Dubai akogide ni Dubai no kono eno na yede be ya akwan yede aye bridges yede aye interchanges na menewo ye ho atoye eno ho faso ena ye nyina no ye nya no.
These are the kind of people we were dealing with. Mumuzam say interchanges no way $2 billion no interchanges no way. Acquire no way, bridges no way, almost the atro 82 billion in na. Come send you way cotton piece FM after I did to me ma omo. Kwasi ampen we sa person general secretary a petition we and can we. Krom for Jimmy way. The whole thing one more petition to me that say Jimmy way. And these fools, and this is what they do, this is what they are good at. Where in your expertise. Mumuza Jimmy way say acquiring away, interchanges in a way, takradi interchanges in a way, bridges in a way. Where is the $2 billion in Kwasiafuasifo? And we sat and watched these fools who have been incorporated into a political party exhibiting the highest form of Nikompuism and monkeyism. And we still sit here and we are allowing them to create the narrative again. This is NPP narrative 101. And then Oppong Nkrumah starting. He's a liar. The money has jumped from 240 million. Now he's saying 300 million. These are people we cannot allow close to power again. They are disease of human beings. These are crazy people. These are people we cannot trust. And we need to understand. Say a man go forward too much chance. These munafikis, these political bandits, these political jogbusters, this mockery of monkeyism attitude, characteristics of animal kingdom four-way, they are just going to mess us up. There's one gendarme I want to kill. And it's got to do with this woman. Your friend Patricia Appiagyei. Mami we Abrewa Poso. Mami o Abrewa Poso our parliament or the MPP for any more parliament. Mami Abrewa kura. Ni seat na oteso Asante Memuno. Because we are Santini on fa bibia mbafie enso sebio mini anuma Santifo ni bimpe 20. Mami we atena akonwa no so de ahwe ne ma ne nananom enye sika se bem ema Jonso abo mo te se de Jonso abo akokọ e won constituency na mami panyini we ya sebio enche obetwa nananom onsie do akosiesie nsamampo ma ye ne nkora so sebi yewu a yato omo akonya bebi partner no oda ho di atro ende bia metena na mekasa Abrewa omudi duku ahye monufu ase ene atro ene azan omudi ewo politics mu a omse memu ade baby awadui wa body ti ede eye achichidi echintuma wa bobo ahye nufu ase akotena ahye full dross ahye trousers akotena ni constituency edi atro ede na Abrewa poso we on the constituency. A dear atron wakudi, mommy and her na yanti Abrewa we ne draw so to. Honorable Patricia Appiagyei, Deputy Minority Leader in Parliament, engaging in a friendly chit-chat with her constituents. Into offering crying. And a offer plane echo kumase. Offer baby a poor, baby a habo, baby a plane papa esi. And a offer plane be the ko kumase. Na adwinimuno, omo kumase, I want the constituency no. Sebi oma adwini wo form, omo kenkan, omo nim de ekoso. Now, Kodru Kumase, the constituency, no. Oko kan sembi chire omo the constituency wo efa oral ho. Mami we na deputy minority leader of parliament. Sebio endemini gina wa MPP ni bi o se otwin bia because mami we de wa benche ho. Mami we de onimumra chen. Mami we de honorable. Mami we de onimnyansa on dia tro. Mami we ko the constituency. Ena na oni omudi nkomo mami we oya Abrewa poso Patricia Appiagyei oya Abrewa poso kra. Now mumia nkotie asema na oka kire ne constituency no efa oral ho na woni bibi MPP for emu nkora enkokora emrewa omo ya beifo omo pesa santiman be tumpon omo mua santifo omo wa santifo dodo no se omo adwene wo form sebi omo gimi. And every single time no omo nya opportunity what they do is they lie to them, they make them believe say sebi omo adwene wo form ti de omo beka bi oso omo gidi enti okọ ne constituency no okogada omo tewo no ena omo busa no yesi ade wo firi nkran ba de na ekoso wo nkran ye na etie kurase nkran de poda ho aha puni ha apatra nkwan ene ye nom efiri ha de untumi nya salmon ene enampa edapum we de gatemu nam apatre ene edien antrohwiase ene ewe enti una wo firi nkran aba enti boy nkran de ekoso ubuofu na poda ukrom apunda ukrom yeka salmon yanchibi won asantime yache salmon asantime mu rewri yanchibi wa asantime mu apofi yanchibi wa asantime mu aya enam is a swordfish yanchibi wa asantime mu enam papa ya wi a ye fe ne shark yanchibi wa asantime mu enam eda aya insuoma omo hyen ya omo kono maba herrings papa yi yanchibi ewo aya de asantime mu enti ne bone ne sen uba asantime mu a lake bosomtwe aya patre gatemu nam enkete patra apatre na owe na me se ofiri nkran aba na ofiri krom bebia ye nam yetu nam Kennedy de nam firi abrochire ba abrochi nkukoi edi nkan sinkran ansa na bakumase ubuofu sen fact na mistake no wadwa ojimi ko no awudwa kwan tie me enti de anima ne say de tilapia ya ne abo box ne de nsuo gum no mu dem tetra tilapia se de ukọ Egypt a omu de feedi de nkukọ because tilapia nya nam bia ya wiye kese an de bia acid kakra unto wi aso abodam enti tilapia de afu enti adwene ne tilapia bebre ba nam papa nyina afri nkran na wo de mo miambra asem no so Patricia Appiagyei ba eye asantememu na oche ne constituency no omomote ne constituency omotoma no ohun so sebio omadwene wo fom obeka nkran asama kire mo bo Abrewa poso ye de ha na ewo wo de nkran na wo de wie hu TV so mo de abrojire na mo de mo fine say I so mo nkran omo ben po omo tumi ko sweme omo tumi nya breeze anaju so omo call body beach omo tumi tina ho na omo dwene enti enim say and nkran fo na ba ofri nkran ana mo say ne bo nkran Abrewa boy de ekoso wo nkran na ye de ha na egugu omo gugu mase ene ye to nkwase aba enti wo de boy so mumienko tie asema na oka afa eye ora ho na senia wadane no kore aye na atro ede to nipa bitrim abra oye minority leader o maami we eye Abrewa PosoPoso we aye friend Patricia Appiagyei onim the role of oral onim oral ejuma baby a ekosi de oral betuma aye onim se oral entumi fo bia nkogina court maami we onim Abrewa we onim se oral omni power to arrest sa Abrewa PosoPoso we onim se oral omuduma die ene se omubagege de information efiri nkofo minim sa Patricia Appiagyei we wie Ghana sika koto dan e hon krata de monje na mofa nkoba atene general so betime di hudwuma oral dwuma omudi no omo jejejije eyedien enkofo ano sem ene eyedien adanse ni nyina so no makeka bom no na koma attorney general say de yensa akani hwehwem say nukura bi o ma nipa no fa no kogina court inti oral adwuma no omo nchi nipa omo prosecute omo nya ban a sebio aban ti omo ka omo nya judges Patricia Appiagyei nim oral fo adwuma no enso koduru eye ne mantem bebi a yawia patre de tufuo so no hwese ne okokyerɛkyerɛ asɛm mu kyerɛ omo every say obema omati ase se chema wontumi abokro no ora na ache no MPP fo mu wi asika nyina no mamum blemu obia mum blemu ora every say ochina ye chechema wontumi ahoso ye ba be kyew ma me panyini Abrewa poso ma me panyini awoto afu dwene tumi wo de yeden atro wo de yeden wontumi nka no korɛ Mumienkotie Abrewa poso we. Mumienjidwemu ha. Patricia Abrewa bra na memfa won kyerɛ ewiase amansan nyina hu watro.
Attorney General, you were court also Mati Ora, the constitutional basis, and they say. And can the over one is only a bit of baby near Hofano. Baby, I didn't ever found now much. Now, a year, Ubefi say, be a win to many action. And they went to media, I had to son and crop worker, and so watching a near before me. And see, a Mrano and Mahu myself, who betis our ora. It would intimate who feels so be a bonnia Fanaco. Fanacoma, Attorney General, no one yet. And the people should say, Yoko, or you should move. If you should move now, now when we said if I know from the attack, the court, I prescribe. And since when I Yoko, when I catches a coffee with Brazana, and to see I am from Rano and to baby. Yeah, from due process, man, yes, and I was a yeah. The Abeba said, Saka. What I say? Obia near Befano, Obia near Befano, you do fear and panic. You want it at say, and you're there and also the Emperor. What I say? Because the war and a wire of propaganda. And I wouldn't say, hey, Abani, a fool, I say, and a Nipan Swato. I say, Whoopa, Quenya, would the best justify at the end into whoop crack of fast system, and the fear and panic ever barber to years. So, yes, I didn't die because there was a gun of 4 who knows with the akush, some and draw and at the bears. I did. Oh, Jerry will be. Dankasa. And I'm Nike. Some for was a some young one who better announced to be Cassa. What I said, I don't know, but I could a half as I did. What I said, was he 11, and Password and some one couplets. And that was why you have and then Mamma Brabaya ding the hills van the year. 11 year was why you have we are not another 11 about your friend energy levy. Who taught petrol 1 gallon? Would you have 4 CDs? I was so and I tell my own then never got to 20 cities or Chanabacoda 40. Because one no funny manaban. Cano, a double. A piano, a bow, I had because Cano, a double. So, what would your man say? Sana, dear, nada. Into over you were not the way so I bet you. And then, you're near money. Yes, a COVID levy, a year free. Ye almost try COVID levy, who say a year free near my that's and yeah, come once I feel no matter. Oh, yeah, show phone so we ye be a bachelor, so COVID levy, and so you say, what's the gun amount? I would hear, would the more 400 million, no man, I did it. I would do 50 million ever to your coca, as I say, was what to 401 million, and what they better. Young Shasta will be a bit heavy. So I went to a young maybe oh, at the power, why? Yes, here, and you ever quiet him. But you're not done, Nkruma at the panel or also, yes, and then Quadra school as a Quadra CD. And say, and cook on me and any of them. And so I never his school. Or about one night I had myself. Some discard them out. No, I could talk to my and then I can say what the trick. And then no, and run that way. Sanity and this. And this.
So I feel what I feel I would say. Asante for politics, no, MPs, no, send your mubu muso Jimmy. I feel it is plain in your face. Because MPP for MPs, mubu asante for so be yankwasiafo. What was media asante for them? What in some kajiro? Asem we want to mean Nkrumah. No radio station. Want to mean any community in Accra and speak like this. Oslo, offering po. Want to mean kojina sekendi takrade. To me kojina any part of Ghana, said the Volta region. No, I got to know kwasi asem na omo to say, oh, I am pa. Na they omo yanjin. But they choose the location to do their jandam. Enti omo din kwasi asem kodin wa santimemu. Hwe ma me panyini a wote parliament. Oh, ya minority leader. What shall we more say? Beiphobia oda Mozambique bolaso at your age. Wakuta phone omo mujina o ton phone na ebetuma edwetira momo omo siase tuntum. They are not willing. They are too attached to the party, and these people come from Accra and they fool them. Oral dabena oral chi obi Ghana yet Nkruma na chema wuntumi ebi ekufuadu bi ekwaye say yenko tu egudie enkwasiafo asanteman asase bi anywhere da ho eye 100 acres a yemfa sankae sankwasiafo no mutiwe asas omutumi nkyerɛ asase bi da santemem a eye 100 acres eye virgin forest ebi ni asantemem and mami panyini a enche obewu hwade o tena ho keka 11 no ye nyimfiri wo o oka 11 no osene ya gege tekune stempoa o si bi oka asem no 11 no mo de be so Ghana fo na omugi sika ni di koye party 11 party ebe ya ho yi no ose o 11 na ye kapre ene sempoa na ye age mami panyini o kobusa na sesa ne manyina wen kohwe edan a odam na hwe susuponfo no mudi nechi no edan a musu dem MP no mu asantefo no dodo no se omu agimi sankwasi akasa we ontumi nkabi won kran osuro enkran ye krom oti wo kasa no a 17-year-old kid will Google and say madam you are lying, you are very disrespectful. Enkrani akwara enkrani maami penjini ontumi metena okeka sankwasi ase we nkyere no ba won omo asantefo no bi say dodo ni nko school. Majority are the foolish masses. With all due respect, I have to say this. And the language they speak in Accra no, are different in what they speak in Kumasi. Yes. Into utie ni argument. Echna echema untimi o, ochna ebe ye wo. Chema untimi edie na oye chechire mu chire omwe. Charge ben ye dia born wo court. Die na court se waye. Nanka oto nanka grada pace with him na eku ato atwene because mona mo say asanteman mona mo say asante no. These are the people omo man nipa because asantefo ni bi ye nkurasefo because you see omo fi Nkrumah ba They don't tell them what they do in parliament. Oh. They don't tell them the truth. Oh. They come to lie to them and try and get just vote. Mami way opeso DMP we're doing the menopause level. Ya kasa go to superna fifre tete and so still was all the hujinem. Dear na manite parliament na sika. Aya hunya. Send your bet to Mashana More to some Mozambique before. Now what the car near friend honorable. And so Koto Moja Crown for Bimba Fie. Koshana na it's in crying. Or yare penny and Nakabruchino Koshana Hoyare. She is using her constituents to survive. Because the moment you're betting to Akumyano, into these people, no more they are her fuel. When these people take her out, she's going to die. And she has used them for years to survive. And can you constituents or Timo CIMP and Kuwu? Now we are here at Bible. And we keep telling you people, these are very dirty people. It does not matter age. MPP ni osa we Jimmy onyina obodam. Mesi pona ene esuruwisa eho wonfa so kyen MPP for. Pona ne suruwisa, rentia ne suruwisa. Eho wonfa so kyen edien eye MPP ni. MPP ni does not think. It does not matter so enyini o so we Jimmy onyina no obodam onti bibia se mesi rentia ene esuruwisa. Eho wonfa so kyen MPP ni. Mesi ba omia no nam ho no oni Kennedy. Mesi eye den efom eye de ade afre no eye Mefi, and a brisie, and one for watching Kennedy Baumia. These are people who don't represent anything. They have no shame, they have no integrity. Under the NPP for 8 years, Mammy went to be the NPP for him. Ambassador, Yembia say we are hospital, and me Abrewa. Me no menopause bar, you bet me the Makoto. Mammy went to my Sadiano. Now, think crying. What can him at to say Iraq before and all this sika. When to men DMP no man santimemu anka say eye den kumewu anase eye den eye afareyam bie na santifo obi anyima ontumi nko wo ho na otenkran na odi makeup aye denim te say Cambodia sofoba ekeka nkwase asem won kran when to man MPP na maye eye den hospital asantimemu and wabo mesh aboro star hye de more say de ere ko to form ewo Uzbekistan abetena say enti ase ene kapre ena sempoa. These are the people that almost destroy Nkrumah. They have no intentions of helping the people. They are known for lying. These are dangerous, crazy people. These people, I don't respect them one bit. One. Tafre. They are capitalizing on the ignorance of the foolish masses to make or enrich themselves. That is what they do. Why MP for how long? Can you give me, Mr. S, give me this woman's profile. How long has she been an MP of that constituency? Kobusa constituency say almost anything they can mention in this woman's name. And these are the people they are worshipping and they are calling honorable. Yari etiane to. See a 2 adeswa 6 months will be wait. No yari a chain biblical incantations. No yari he is using them the constituency no and the bloodline. The day of losing elections, watch our assessments will be because a year no any Trump card. Honorable. She can get a diplomatic passport. She can go see her doctor. She can travel and go by house. That is her Trump card. Constituency if you try to take that visa from her, she will kill you. Without the respect, I'm not saying she's going to kill you, but literally, that is what she's going to do. Inti omotiwano sanko fo enom gune chino wo so mo Jimmy. Ofin kan naba. How many years now, Mami, with the MP? With him, how many years with the MP? But answer, what is the significant thing why you're on the constituency? The beautiful lines on one constituency, they cannot mention one significant thing. Mami, we are. And so the money now they are millionaires today. Asokwa. Yeah, this year, ya mama Patricia Appiagyei and old Jimmy almost said a talk. Ya mama Patricia Appiagyei, ya mama no asokwa de and old Jimmy omo and odi omo nyesika dia her visas. The Trump card no. Her survival depends on these ignorant fools. Because almost omo ho kwan se omo besua de. Omo kwan se omo de omo tribe beto nchen. Omo di sebio omo mu bidi omo Jimmy beto nchen ebusa nsem. Ese abana yeto no e den mo bedi Ghana so no. Na nko so mo busa se ye bedi mo bedi Ghana so no. Asanteman ma me de na wo ye maaye. Omuntumi musa no de omu yan se okwa na omo 100 Ghana no monum tumtum ma se nkokuo yate ase ye mpene ye nte ase o ye beto aba kwase ade se ya na ade achi na ade asane yesie bi ne ye ne enyenyem na ye no nkwase ansa na ye boye hunnua na ye dane ne ye sadowa nkwase asam saa na Yesu aba enije efe na enije a was aban eyema nipa wemu dodo no omu enya bi no mu de ewu. There are so many preventable deaths in the Ashanti region. John Nkrumah no ye MP wa Ashanti region yare born anajo ye nya hospital for nanko owu Asante memu onam kwan so no owu ye. And this foolishness. I know biti baby or say oh Kevin did pay na tem me nya akwara asa o. Me matra 18. Me yire frɛ me Kevin ne kunu ne me ma frɛ me dad. Me nya akwara asa o. We me dinner tema me say me dinner tem on ni panchem you. Me have crossed that stage you beka say we di panyina table. Me dada. It be dada tema na dada bi di matema. It is dada to dada. It me ya wafa. So me do wafa bi atana wafa bi di matema. It is wafa to wafa. It don't underestimate me and say me di panyina tema bodam. Onim nyansa. Ready. This woman is rubbish. Way. Apo. Me say, hey, ti asemi akojo Oppong Nkrumah kan. Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say, team, this is a profile. My body profile in Chama. When Chama there. Patricia Appiagyei with Jimia Santifua Sokafo. How many years? My sure how long I was spending parliament. Or China mon friend Butan say, Abrewa, at the end of why am I way? With Jimmy Omo, yama media, yanana ti how, and audition ho yare, or doma dane ding. Akobam ene elephant ointment ena odichini ne nisisi or the constituency one than elephant ointment ene no this one ho yare mo ya ni profile ni onye oni suban ba akumpo politics. Appiagyei was a deputy minister for Ashanti region from 2001 to 2005. No, or a deputy minister. With Jimmy Omwache fucking. And was shortly appointed a deputy Ashanti regional minister in 2005. Obedi a whole regional minister. Mumusa say a dear partner obetumdia can di one time obedi regional minister or not PJ. Obey a deputy regional minister of Ashanti region and then a regional minister. Mumusa say time obedi regional minister. A dear pair part obetu den say so. Enkwasi afowi. Omo de asokwa for omo nevisa ni omo. The insurance cover, asukwa an insurance cover, and yasukwa nkuwu yarefo. You see, from 2005 to 2009, she served as the municipal chief executive for Kumasi, not Oyo Kumasi MCE. MCE from 2005 to 2009. Now here, she is currently a member of parliament for Asukwa constituency after beating former deputy local government minister Maxwell Kofi Juma to win the New Patriotic Party primary election and subsequently won the parliamentary seat during the 2016 Ghanaian elections. She won the 2020 general elections to represent her constituents in the 8th parliament of the Fourth Republic of Ghana. Patricia Appiagyei is currently the most experienced female NPP MP. In 2017, she was appointed by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and approved by Parliament to serve as Deputy Minister for Environment, Science and Technology and Innovation. She is a board member for the Nuclear Power Ghana. Mumbusane say, with all this, Obetu didn't say Sibibisu Asante memu. None. Zilch. We bled fool wemu omtitiwo and yes so oboso. Wait. God damn it. Mompe abrantie bi ana abayo bi a ne wusisi ne ho so a or understanding the modern day technology na on to me mo hwa Ashanti regional minister no mompe obi te saa ma ne medi manim ene yete wo na emrewa wei maame Abrewa PosoPoso wei menopause dware no wei ede na waye deputy minister den me se onfo ne nsansia de ba ko peso asantime wo ko asoko a ye maame Patricia de beto ama no ebi aye se ntwe ono a onfa hwe ma muntumi nya abrante wa ne ho sisi ne ho so ema ne kokama asemo mamo emfa mpuntuo mafie wey incapacitated which way incapacitated enyanam de ba yo drug addict the kind of come on incapacitated which we. Now, my mention my dear because your Oppong Nkrumah can be far a year. J.A. Kufuor or say J.A. Kufuor Munche Oppong Nkrumah.
It's the commodity. And now they are Mobet Matoni, Bioma Ghana for Aton.
Unim J.H. Mensa.
Yes, Senator former
Joseph Henry Mensa. Ono ne John Ajekum Kufuor.
Yes.
A call contest 95 before the 96 election. Ena John Ajekum Kufuor ekodi ncho. Be Seminstromeka, I think just around 39%. Unya be 39% of valid votes cast. J.H. Mensa time I ever call primaries. If my memory serves me right, 98 or so. J.H. Mensa argument na we say na banchi a dia kodwomu ayanto ye besan ya san sabium dia ko na Kufuor na ye de na ko election a wan win no onye marketable party 40 ya no nka say ate but ye hwemu etumi hu say ono no ye candidate to be win na mpaniam party 4 edit John Ajekum Kufuor buy no obi onya 39% obi twa mu 50% plus 1 ebe ye one of the most successful presidents that Ghana has ever had.
But the second
Mahmoud Bawumia ye kana semi. If I just may land, Mahmoud Bawumia ye kana semi. Ono Krampo he performed better than John Ajekum Kufuor at his first election.
Yes.
Kufuor first election only 39%. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 41.7%. And so we hear all the difficulties are your womb in 2024. Now still Otumi Mashale ye bedu 41.7. Yenye wa regime and himself party for do now a regime said that argument doesn't hold. Rather no say you keep faith with him na ye boa dia yina ye to sin yina ye improve na pia will be able to cross the 50% plus 1 vote required in the 2028 election.
In the Kufuor Bawumia analogy,
yeah,
the circumstances are a bit different in that in the case of Bawumia frontline NPP politics for 16 years and Sana Obabeye the flag bearer, a vice presidential candidate 2 times, Afemurini Obabeye vice president 2 terms. That's 16 years. Na part of flag bearer. Na elections ne cost the koye na. You can't compare that to Kufuor.
In fact, Nkrumah na a buttress me argument no. Use a 2 year to say ice block. Yet the 2 in some one started melting. Moi mon favorite poster, Musa Dankwa.
Yes.
Ne post be and say I'll say President Mahama from 7th of January 2025. ABC time or year poll no. I think in quarter 3 no. Nani approval ratings what? Mebwa. Emma, a analyst need to start a year about why an approval ratings no within these months no. SOT. Sana to me and ne yemfem there's so much promise around you. Yeah, the show sa. Obo say a lot of people will now start having me pay we menya until we me bofu issue we until rather candidate na onona than he was riding on promise. Abina na atnem MPP abina na atnem 8 years, and that's why some talked about breaking the 8 not even being a good slogan. No, would they won't offending Kofu aspirations? Yeah, miti.
Akwa we okay there. He did not even answer the question. How could you point okay or stable there? The issue is simple. You cannot justify Bawumia's failures, Bawumia's abysmal performance after being in politics, frontline politics for 16 years, not just frontline politics, being a running mate for 8 years and being a vice president for 8 years. You cannot use Kufuor. You cannot use that analogy to justify Bawumia's abysmal performance. J.A. Kufuor power. Now MPP were parliamentarians saying. Kufuor came to inherit 0 parliamentarians, and at the end of the day, he move it to 66 parliamentarians. And I'm a Kufuor, that time no I running mate. He moved it from 0 to 66. Was Kufuor a running mate? Had he offended people? The issue here is you cannot say Kufuor in his first trial, no, Kufuor got 39%, and that Bawumia after 16 years in prime position. Running mate for 8 years, vice president for 8 years, head of economic management team. Everything was centered on you, and then you get 41. You want to use Kofour to justify Bawomia's failure, Bawomia's incompetence, Bawomia's abysmal performance. Now, he was asked a simple question, said, you cannot do these two. You cannot put these two things because it's like comparing antelopes and apatre. Or see, oh, winning BB. That buttress my point. Oh, say to me, it is a ice blog. Ebeka on sa ne nane. And a mwamu Musa Dankwa say from the day Mahama Winnie, nane approval rate. It does not make any sense. It does not connect to Asamna Yebusa on home. It is not about approval ratings. It is not about the day you enter parliament of office. It is about the candidature, the candidates, what the candidate carries, the weight. Now you have a candidate now or yet running mate for 8 years. Every single person in Ghana knew him because of his symposia and the symposium, because of his economic lecture, because of him touting himself to say he can take Ghana's the economic management to a different level. After that, another 8 years where he was given the nod to implement all that he said when he was in opposition for 8 years. The symposium, the symposia, the lectures now, man 8 years now. We gave him the nod for 8 years to implement it. Now, this candidate we are talking about, opese odenoko compare J.A. Kufuor, the numbers. This is a guy Bawumia who in 2024, NPP had 6.8 million votes in 2020. He dropped the vote from 6.8 million to 4.7 million. And so, this is a guy who was supposed to maintain a 137 parliamentary seat in parliament. He lost all and was left with 87. And you foolishly tell me that this candidate, we cannot say he has done bad. This is bomb. Bawumia is fush. It is fush. It is Obiaya fush. Bawumia is bomb. When you do the analysis, this guy is not a presidential candidate. He cannot win against even a class prefect. If J.A. Kufuor, who had never been a running mate, who never had the opportunity to sell himself and to be going around the nation and letting everybody know what he can do, was able to bring 66 votes, 66 parliamentary seats to parliament in his first trial, and even moved it from 1.5 million to 2.8 million. And you selling yourself for 16 years, and then you drop your vote the party had in 2020, which was 6.8 to 4.7, and then losing parliament of 137 to 87. You tell me that Bawumia is a candidate that we should rally around. Are you crazy? You are talking about power melting. Power melting. Now, if Bawumia was power, Bawumia na or your power and kobe melty. Anke ye hunumpo. Bawumia is just fush. He is fush. He does not represent anything. So what kind of analysis is this? You are justifying a failure? You are justifying his abysmal performance? There's no justification. Senka Bawumia candidature, and I said Bawumia, the record, you wouldn't jump all the way to J.A. Kufuor in 1996, 2000 to go and do comparison. You would have used another Danko Kufuor's numbers to justify why Bawumia needs to come again. But because you know Bawumia has broken every record in the negative, you could not even use 2016 and 2020 numbers. You had to jump all the way back about 20 years. Are you crazy? J.A. Kufuor never got the opportunity to be somebody's vice president for running mate for 8 years. He never got the opportunity to be somebody's vice president for 8 years. J.A. Kufuor just came into the limelight. He gave the NPP 66 seats in parliament, his first touch. So what are you talking about? Your analysis does not make any sense. Bawumia is fush. The guy cannot win power. Let's call a spade a spade. Your candidate is weak. The candidate is fush. You are justifying something that is unjustifiable. What are you doing, guys? I'm a politics. A waste of time. What are you trying to explain here? If you want us to go into the numbers, you will see that your candidate who is fush has no positive against his face or in his favor. In the MPP for Montiasier, you people should not force us to get into the details. the numbers, when we go into the numbers, your party will collapse. Your party will go down the drain flat. You know that Bawumia, he is not a sellable candidate. You are doing this because you people feel, say, you have offended Ghanaians to the point where more something against Kennedy Japan. You want to continue with the criminality. It is a cartel that you people want to protect. That is all. The Ekufuado cartel, no, you want to still push the agenda. Bawumia, you people know. Or your prencontra say Krampa, yento el Somalia. You people know. You want us to throw the numbers out there, and then I'm a catcher. Bawumia was just supposed to put a little bit to the 6.8 million numbers you got in 2020. Bawumia dropped it to 4.7. He came to meet a parliament of 137. If Bawumia believes, say, on any boss, he wouldn't have lost 137 seats all the way to 87 seats. You are selling fush to the people. Bawumia is fush. Stop the comedy. This childish thing and pretending, and be honest to each other. Bawumia is bad. It's a bad product. The same as Kennedy Japan. You people have rotten meat in front of you. You are selling carcass. Every single, you are all sankwas. None of the meat you are selling smells good. These are all decayed meats. Bawumia is fush. And let's stick to the fushness. Bawumia is fush that is powerful and potent, and it can scatter every room. Bawumia is fush, and that fush can scatter a room. People will hold their noses. Bawumia's fush is potent to destroy a whole nation. He is a fush candidate, or your fush. Bawumia is fush. He is fush. The guy is fush. His records are bad. Bawumia is fush.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.